You know, this morning when we started the morning nature meditation, session 2, I'm so thrilled that everything's going so well. It's just been such a delight. But I was sitting here, you know, waiting for the session to start, letting people in the room, and I just closed my eyes for a moment and started listening to the birds and just almost forgot to start the session. Wonderful, wonderful. So I thought I would share some of the feeling that we're experiencing in the morning meditation with everybody. So I would like to invite you to join me for a short 3-minute meditation here in the nature. This is pretty much the spot where we're doing the sessions from. So the beautiful mountains in the background, you can hear the birds, other sounds, sunshine, blue sky. It's beautiful. And really the essence of nature, what I found is that it's incredibly soothing. So you connect through nature to yourself, to your nature. Okay. So let's do that together right now. Now you can get a feeling of that connection by simply watching the trees. I know I'm in the way, okay. But the tree is such a beautiful way to simply connect. Just rest your gaze there. The flicker of the sun, the wind as it moves the leaves, the delicacy, the feeling, the quality of it. And simply merge with it. Watch. Feel. Enjoy. And relax. So the quality of nature that I love more than any other is this feeling of non-resistance. Allowing the moment to unfold without any tension. And simply being. Follow a breath, and as you exhale, relax a little more. And if you feel that your mind is activated, open your eyes. So ground yourself in the present moment by observing nature. Now, it may be that you're in nature, but if not, then rest your gaze here. The solid feeling of the mountains, the gentle air, sunshine, the light. The wind through the leaves. Just listen. And relax a little bit more. Just settle in. For a few minutes you can let go of the world and its problems and the thoughts and the stories. Connect to the present. Relax. Be at peace. So you connect to your essence. And the wonderful thing about your essence is that it never resists. There's no tension there. in your consciousness ever. And it's always this feeling of joy, or peace, or some quality that feels good. So find that feeling, and bring that into your day. Okay. Namaste. Thank you so much for sharing your presence, and I'll see you around. Lots of love.